The kidneys are vital organs in the human body responsible for maintaining balance of electrolytes, blood pressure regulation, for removing waste products of metabolism and other important functions. Impaired functioning of the kidneys can cause toxicity in the body, and the long-term effect is that of renal failure. One of the best ways to maintain kidney health throughout life is to opt for use of Ayurvedic herbs chosen specifically to work on these organs. Ayurvedic herbs for kidneys are safe, do not have side effects, and bring about long-term general improvements through regular use. Nutrition for All brings to you It's Kidney Care, a total renal health care product composed entirely of chosen Ayurvedic herbs proven in Ayurveda for treatment of a variety of kidney-related ailments and to maintain kidney health in normal adults. The herbs used in It's Kidney Care are highly effective in persistent and chronic conditions like excessive urination, burning during urination, blood in urine, impaired renal functions due to infections or cysts, removal of kidney stone of size up to 13 mm, prostate-related issues, and for detoxification as well. It is a kidney tonic and kidney health formulation combined into one powerful formulation to provide safe, effective relief. The Ayurvedic herbs available in It's Kidney and their proven benefits in Ayurveda are Hazrul Yahud Bhasm. It's made of a grey color round stone that looks like the Indian plum, and it has stone dissolving properties. Shwet Parpati. Shwet Parpati, also known as Kshara Parpati, comprised of purified potassium nitrate, potassium and ammonium chloride put through a special process, and it helps in difficulty in urination and urinary calculi. Gokshuradi Guggal. This component is made of Gokshura, Guggal, black pepper, ginger, pipali, amla, Vivitika haritaki and nagar moths with anti-lithiatic, anti-inflammatory, anti-arthritic, anti-hypertensive, anti-gout, analgesic and adaptogenic properties to control uric acid levels in the body. Varun. Varun is a herb that is of immense benefit in renal calculi, and it also works as a diuretic. Punarnava. Punarnava has anti-inflammatory, anti-fibrinolytic, antibacterial and diuretic properties and helps to lower blood pressure, relax muscle cells and improve heart health as well as gastrointestinal health. Yavakshar. Yavakshar has barley plant at the base, and it helps promote urination, relieves abdominal pain and reduces urinary calculi as well as bloating, cough, piles, heart disorders and anemia. Shalium. Also known as stone flowers or patthar ki phool, this is a lichen with antifungal and antimicrobial properties to promote health of reproductive organs. Apamag is also known as chirchira, is a powerful herb useful for treatment of tumors and obesity as well as fistula. Kulitha, also known as horse gram in English and kulthi in Hindi. It is a popular food item in the south said to have warming effect and to strengthen the body beside being a diuretic. Oshir, commonly known as khaskhas grass. It reduces effect of pitta, improves digestion, reduces bleeding and also pacifies cough besides being antiemetic, astringent, antidyspeptic and carminative, helping to reduce burning sensation after passing or during passing of urine. Kakdi Beej. Seeds of cucumber. Kakdi Beej are useful as a diuretic and cooling agent. Pashan Bhed. Besides being useful in diarrhea and stomach ailments, the chief use of Pashan Bhed is to dissolve kidney stones and reduce burning and blood in urination. People with impaired kidney functions due to disease or pathogens and people with kidney stones will benefit, since the herbs used in It's Kidney Care provide relief, cure conditions and proven in Ayurveda to dissolve kidney stones. Dosage may be increased for patients with kidney ailment symptoms. Patients with any kidney-related problems, even those on dialysis, are recommended to consume 3 capsules a day. It's Kidney Care is an ideal formulation of choicest herbs with benefits specific to renal functions and also benefits to overall systemic health. Regular use can help dissolve small and medium-sized kidney stones up to 13 mm in size. People with prostate issues that affect kidney functions can benefit as the herbs used in its kidney care reduces prostate and kidney inflammation and helps in urination. It brings about relief for people with urinary tract infection that causes burning sensations while passing urine. Over time, it helps to regenerate damaged tissues in the kidney and to restore the functions that will help in better enjoyment of health and life. It may take time for effects to show, but with the regular use of herbs used in its kidney care, you gain relief from kidney ailments in a painless and a safe way. Its kidney care can also be consumed by people with normal health in order to ensure health of their kidneys and to remove toxins. It can help strengthen kidneys and prevents damage. People with normal health can take one capsule each day at night to ensure better kidney health is maintained throughout life. Welcome, it's Kidney Care for a better kidney health.